Hi everybody, so I wanted to film a little vlog of me doing nothing. No, I just wanted to film a little vlog on what I do today. So basically today I'm gonna be filming a video on how I ship my products for you and the shipping items that I use. But first I wanted to stop and grab a coffee, and I am looking for a local cafe shop instead of buying Starbucks, just so that I can support my local businesses. And I'm here currently looking for a coffee shop, and I can't find one, and I know there's one in this area, so let me show you. Okay guys, so I was wrong. There's no coffee shops here. I really wanted to support one of my local coffee shops, but I guess not. I'll let you know if I find one close by. But anyways, so yeah, so today I'm gonna be going to the salon, and I'm gonna record a video for you. Why the salon? Because my husband's currently at home, and the kids are sleeping at home, and I don't want to make noise, and I don't feel comfortable recording myself on video when my husband is there. For some reason I'm barely getting used to talking to myself on the camera. So I'm gonna head over to the salon, and I'm gonna record myself at the salon, and I'm gonna show you everything over there. I am out of the salon, and I am back heading home, and I will be showing you what I'm gonna eat today so you get an idea. So basically I gained so much weight especially now during quarantine. I don't know, I just gained, I think, like 10 pounds, 15 pounds, I don't know. And it's been really hard for me to lose it because I do also suffer from anxiety and stress. So mostly anxiety due to stress. So ever since I started suffering from anxiety, I have been gaining weight like crazy. So it's a little bit harder for me to lose it, and I'm trying really hard. I don't exercise 100%, but I know that weight loss, 75% of your weight loss comes from what you eat and how much you eat, and your water intake and all that stuff, your sugar intake. So I'm trying to watch out for what I eat, how much water I drink, how much sugar I take, because I want to lose weight. And I'm also thinking about going to a women's clinic, because I do suffer from infertility due to my hormones, my hormone levels, and all this stuff. It's very complicated. I don't want to get too much into details, but first I want to watch out my weight. I have been gaining a lot of weight due to that too, due to my anxiety, and I don't all blame it on that, because I do know that I haven't been exercising, and I haven't been watching what I eat. So I definitely need to watch what I eat, and I definitely need to take care of myself, because I do want to have more babies, and I do want to be healthy for my babies. And so yeah, so I've been eating a lot healthier. I've been trying to eat a lot more salads. I've been trying not to eat meat. I started Monday not eating any kind of meat, kind of like vegan, but not 100% vegan. I don't know if you understand. Like, I'm still eating egg and milk. I'm just trying not to eat meat, and little by little I will be cutting off. Like, of course I want to cut off from milk as much as I can, if possible, because I feel like milk also makes my stomach hurt. So, but I'm starting little by little, because I don't want to put it in my head as a diet. I don't want to deprive myself from things. So I'm starting off little. Like, I'm removing meat from my life at least Monday through Friday. So I'm doing substitutions for that. And then, like I said, little by little, I will be cutting off milk, bread. Bread, I'm kind of cutting it off little by little now too. But meat is completely off my list. So I will be showing you what I'm eating today in a bit. So stay tuned. So I wanted to show you real quick what I was gonna eat today. I'm basically making this. It's like ground beef, but it's plant-based, and I am doing it because all this week I'm trying to eat no meat whatsoever, at least Monday through Friday. And I got this idea from my sister-in-law. She's tried it before. They use it for tacos, spaghetti, and stuff like that. So basically, I cooked the meat, and it looks just like ground beef. And I cooked it separately because it's for me and my husband. But my husband doesn't really like any toppings. So I'm going to do red onion, serrano chile, or chile serrano. It's like a pepper. And then tomatoes, like Roma tomatoes. So I'm gonna saute this, and then I'm gonna mix it up with a little bit of the ground meat, well, plant-based meat. But I wanted to show you what I was using, so in case you're interested, it's usually on the vegan, where the tofu is, like in the vegetable area next to the lettuce and stuff. That's where I found this in HEB. So it should be right by the tofu. So now I'm gonna add in our meat. So you can saute well our meat replacement. And I'm gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper. So it looks something like this, and you could either make it in a lettuce wrap like I am and top it off with some cheese and avocado, or you can eat it as a burrito bowl, and you can add beans or anything like that, and then you can eat it with some chips. I actually got these there as well at HEB. I don't know if they have them anywhere else. I doubt it because they're HEB brand, but if you can find something like that, like this, anywhere else, I think they might be like super delicious with this. So this is how it looks like, guys. Okay, guys, so I wanted to show you real quick what I'm doing right now. So basically, we already had lunch and everything, and I think it's time for me to edit my planner, since I haven't done so since all the quarantine stuff. I didn't have any plans or anything like that, so I hadn't really touched my planner at all. So I went ahead and bought more inserts for my planner. As you can see, it's a little bit bigger than my planner, and that is because I found these at Hobby Lobby. But I know they're a little bit bigger, but I still love them because of the way they are organized. So it has like the planner, and then it has like weekly where you can write everything, and then it comes with stickers where you can add to your pages, and in the back of the month it has this where you can write yourself some goals, and then inside the actual like weekly page, you can put if you exercise, a little bit of a little quote for you, or anything that you want to reflect on, positive word, reading, listening to, feeling, watching. Maybe you can come back to it the next week and see what you were reading. So I basically, this is half of the year now because I'm starting in June, and I'm opening my spa again, so I need to start like jotting down what I'm booking. So basically I'm in the first week, and on Monday, I'm in the second week. So basically on Monday, I'm having a little under the sea mermaid event going on in my spa, and on Tuesday I have a booking, and that's what I'm gonna be booking throughout the week. During the weekend we have to go visit my sister and stuff like that. And then like tomorrow, we have our niece's graduations and stuff. So I want to kind of jot down what I have going on before, you know, next week comes around when I know I'm gonna start getting more busy. And I wanted to show you a new notebook that I got yesterday at TJ Maxx for $5.99, and it just caught my eye. I don't know if it's like the color, it's like a hunter green, and I just love getting books because or notebooks because I love taking notes. And I love how it has these little rings, and you know, the pages won't tear, because I don't know if you remember on my last video I showed you these notebooks, and I used it so much that it started like coming off like this. Only this one, but this one I started writing on it, so I'm afraid it's gonna do the same thing. And usually these notebooks I use for notes, you know, any business things that I learn, or you know, anything from YouTube, anything I just jot it down here so I can come back and look at it if I need to. Like I said in my last video, it's like my business Bible. And these are just things that I've been learning on my own and stuff like that, or videos I watch. So I definitely love how this notebook has this. Like I said, it won't tear, and I can't wait to use it for real. I love collecting notebooks. And so yeah, so I just wanted to show you that real quick. And then in a bit, well, later, well, after I do this, we're gonna go out to the garden, and the kids are gonna pick up the peaches, and we're gonna wash them and inspect them, like my son says. They love doing that, so we're gonna do that. Our tree has a bunch of peaches falling off already, so that's what we're gonna do today after I finish this. But I just wanted to hop in here and say this real quick. But yes. What are you guys doing?
We're washing and expecting he's cleaning. What's some good?
Where are those from?
The new tree. Daddy's cutting grass.
What's wrong with that one?
Look, this one's a bad one because it looks ugly and there's a hole in it.
We have so many peaches from our tree.
I was gonna say peaches.
And they are washing and inspecting.
There's a mat right here.
So many from our peach tree.
Look at that.
September we met, I could tell by your smile, you hadn't been with a good